Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoVenta. Today we're diving into something a lot of people have been waiting for. Something made for travelers, explorers, and anyone who loves the open road. The 2026 Toyota Camper Van. This is a vehicle built for adventure, comfort, and long-distance living. A van you can not only drive, but live with, travel in, and experience the world from. So let's take a calm ride through its design, performance, interior, and all the unique features that make the 2026 Toyota Camper Van special. Starting with the design, Toyota went for a modern but rugged exterior, something that balances sleek aerodynamics with off-road confidence. The body is bold but clean, with smooth sides, futuristic LED headlights, and a wide front grille that tells you right away this is a van built for travel. The wheel arches are slightly pronounced for a stronger stance, and optional all-terrain tires give it the capability to go places beyond ordinary highways. The sliding doors open smoothly, allowing easy access to the living space, and the high roofline makes it look more like a mini mobile home than a regular van. Toyota clearly aimed for something practical yet stylish, something that looks just as good parked at a campsite as it does rolling through the city. Now, when it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van is built for long journeys without stress. Under the hood sits a fuel-efficient powertrain designed to keep you moving for hours without worrying about constant refueling. Toyota's engineering focuses on smooth handling, consistent acceleration, and stability, even when the van is fully loaded with gear, luggage, and passengers. Whether driving through winding mountain roads or smooth highways, the suspension remains comfortably tuned for travel. It's not about speed, it's about endurance and reliability. And that's exactly what this camper van delivers. With available hybrid technology in some configurations, it becomes even more economica. For road trips, quiet, steady, dependable, the kind of performance that makes a long journey feel relaxing instead of tiring. Now the interior is where the real magic of this van comes to life. Step inside and you're welcomed into a space designed like a tiny modern home. You get a spacious living area with foldable seating, a dining table that can convert into a bed setup, and smart storage areas hidden wherever possible. There's a mini kitchen with a compact stove, sink, fridge, and pantry space for storing ingredients and snacks for the road. The lighting inside is soft and adjustable, giving the entire cabin a warm and pleasant feel. With wood-style finishes, cozy fabrics, and plenty of ventilation, everything here is made to help you relax. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a month-long road adventure, this interior gives you everything you need to stay comfortable. The 2026 Toyota Camper Van also brings unique features that set it apart. There's optional solar charging on the roof, which gives you extra power when camping outdoors. A pop-up roof extension creates more headroom and sleeping space. Rotating front seats let you turn the driving area into part of the living room. Smart temperature control keeps the interior comfortable whether you're in the desert sun or a chilly forest night. Multiple USB ports, built-in Wi-Fi, and entertainment connectivity keep you linked with the outside world even when exploring remote places. This freedom with convenience, adventure without sacrificing comfort. Outro like thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed exploring the 2026 Toyota Camper Van with us here at AutoVenta. Make sure to stay tuned for more automotive journeys and reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.